Infinity Lighting is our newest product line, and today we are here at the Burns house and we are putting lights into the roof line.
Today we're working on some seasonal light source called Infinity Lighting. This project is for a lady in our community, for the landscape community that's given back and done so much for everyone, and this is a way for us to do something for her.
We're up here with Infinity Lighting, which is one of our new vendor partners, and we're doing an install at this house in Tremonton. So it's a trim light. It goes in the rain gutters, or we have a drip edge that just installs right on the house. It's super clean. Lights are really hidden, but it's a cool product. A lot of different options for lighting up all different holidays throughout the year.
The Infinity Lighting system is a color changing permanent system. So basically it goes up in the roof line. It's meant to be outside, all the time in all the elements. You can use a mobile app and you can change the lights to absolutely anything you can think of. So you can use it for Halloween and 4th of July and Christmas. Put your favorite sports team colors up on game days. You can do pretty much anything you can dream of. The possibilities are infinite.